Alright, welcome back for our next lesson. In this one we're going to be looking at the rectangular array tool, which will allow us to create an array of objects along the X and Y directions. So we're going to actually work with a square tonight. So pick this rectangle, choose some arbitrary point. Down here you guys can click on dimensions. I'm going to have to type it. Our length will be 80, our width will be 80, and there we go. Just left click to set that square up. And while we're here, we might as well review the fillet tool. So we have these sharp edges, let's round them off. So fillet F, type F in the command line, press enter. You guys can pick radius, type it. Our radius will be 10 units. Then we just have to pick the line on either side of the angle, and we'll create our fillet. So F radius 10, and select F radius 10. Again, pick either side, and last time radius 10. I will select once again either side. So we have our square with filleted edges. The next thing we want to do, make sure you have your object snaps turned on, especially the geometric center. Right? And what we're going to do is create a circle. So choose circle, center, diameter. We're going to center this circle at the center of our square and give it a diameter of 50. So we can type 50, press enter. We have a circle of diameter 50 at the center of the square. Alright, so now that we have our general drawing here, our square with the centered circle, we're going to create another smaller circle that we can then create our array with. So first thing we want to do is do circle, center, radius, and we're going to center this circle right on the center of this fillet. So we'll put it there, and the radius is going to be 5. So there's our small circle. And we want to type array and rect, R-E-C-T. Array rect, there it is. Press enter. I want to select this circle by left clicking it and then right click, and there's our rectangular array. If the instructions, the written instructions, tell you to set certain numbers here. Again, as always, feel free to kind of mess around with it. You start to see I'm changing my number of columns and rows. Right. So you can get pretty creative with this. You see in the written instructions, the drawing essentially has a circle centered on each filleted edge. But again, it's up to you. Please experiment with it, try it, test it. Maybe go back to one of our older drawings and see what you can do with it. All right, that's it. The rectangular array tool. Thank you.